Is the Ubiquiti Dream Router 5G Max a $499 scam, or the game changer everyone's whispering about? Let's get straight to the fast take. First up, legit or not? Absolutely legit. Ubiquiti dropped this in March 2026 after a proper announcement last year. But here's where things get interesting. You're looking at a Wi-Fi 7 router and a 5G modem packed into one device. That's basically next-gen wireless, plus instant failover if your main internet drops, all wrapped up for $499. But why do some folks call it a scam? Honestly, it's about the price and the look. It costs more than the classic Dream router, and it looks almost identical to the old Amplify Alien. So, a lot of people are like, wait, is this just old tech with a new sticker? Totally fair question. But under the hood, it's a different story. You get tri-band Wi-Fi 7, dual nano SIMs and eSIM for 5G, a 10G SFP Plus port, 4 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, and even a touchscreen for real-time stats. Plus, it runs the full Unify OS, so you're set for everything from advanced networking to security cams. Now for the catch. There are no ports for external antennas, so if your cell signal is trash indoors, you've got to park the whole router right where reception's best. Not ideal for everyone. And the 64GB storage card fills up fast if you're running security cams. So, who is this really for? It's honestly overkill for most homes, but if you're running a mobile office, an RV, or a business that can't afford downtime, this thing is a beast. For everyone else, you might be better off with a regular Dream Router 7 and a separate outdoor 5G modem you can mount wherever signal's strongest. Final verdict. It's not a scam, it's just super niche. If you need what it offers, it's a powerhouse. But don't buy into the hype if you don't.